How's everyone doing today? He's Jordi, I'm Dani, we are from Lleida.net. Lleida is based in Lleida, Spain, and we have almost 20 offices around the world. Having said that, let's move with the presentation. Everybody lies, everybody. It's a basic truth of the human condition that everybody lies. The only variable is about what? In most everyday situations, people tend to blame the developers. And we, as developers, we must find who's lying on that dispute. So, in other words, we have to find who's guilty. Let me explain this with a piece of news. As you can see, if you like soccer, both teams try to transfer the goalkeeper. That goalkeeper was not finally transferred because the Spanish deadline for doing the transfers was over, and both teams blame each other, and at the end they blame each other team, their own IT department, and even the program that the FIFA has to make the transfers. With this, having said that, all businesses in the future will be digital. We need to have that in mind, and with the upcoming distance selling rules, we need to prove, especially in European Union, that you have to keep in a durable media the offer and its reply. But what if a third party do that for you and even certify it? Then the job is done. Lleida.net provides you that technology that keeps that media forever, and being a worldwide operator and with our wealth experience as a trusted third party, we could keep that media durable and do that job for you. Having said that, we will show you the tools to do so. We have in our website api.lleida.net the tools to do so. Our website is split in three sections. The first one, it's called protocol. It's the lower level, so you can establish a bind with our servers and send messages worldwide. The second one is our homemade solution to do so. The second one is called the SDK. So we implement our own libraries in Java, .NET, or PHP to do so. And the last but not least, API. We can access to all our services through HTTPS. Now, we will show you the website and the tools to do so. As I said, the first part is called protocol. So we have the SMPP protocol, the regular protocol to send messages worldwide. The second one is our homemade solution to send those messages. Then we have the FTP to SMS solution. So you uploaded a file to our servers, and we will send those messages to you. Or we have the SMTP to SMS, that it's the same thing that FTP to SMS, but just sending an email. The second part, as I said before, is the SDK. So we have the .NET library, the Java, the PHP to do so. And finally, we have the APIs. So we can manage your accounts. You can send messages, MMS. You can download the certifies that we will show you later on. You have the tools to check a phone number, to check an email if it's valid or not, or even to check if an ID or password is valid or not. Having said that, we will show you our website that it has implemented all those solutions. It's called Tools. In Tools, as you can see, you can send SMS, register at SMS, emails, you can manage your account, whatever you want, but all those tools that I show you before on the website are able to do so. Now, my colleague Jordi is about to send a register at SMS to his own mobile phone. He just needs to put the sender, the recipient, the text, the language of the certified that he wants to show us. It's available in many languages, such as English, German, Italian, French, Japanese, Catalan. and he will put his email address to show you later on which the certify looks like. Now it's sending the message, and he will receive it on his phone. Yeah, we got it. And now Jordi is about to show his mailbox. We will receive an email saying that we have the certify, and we're going to download it to see how it looks like. It gathers all the information, such as the name and the business of his company, the sender ID, the recipient, the date and time of sending, the date and time of delivery, the content of the message. At the end, we add this registered SMS, so the other side of the phone knows that that message was registered. And at the end, this document is signed and time-stamped, so no one can modify it, and you can transform this SMS to a document that it can present it in a court of law. Having said that, we will show you how easy it is to send an SMS with the HTTP query that we have done on the platform tools. As you can see, there is the credentials, the ID. You don't have to send a message with those credentials because it's almost run out of credit, so don't try it. Then you have the phone number, the text, and the email address where we will receive the email. We just need, in a few lines, the text to send. After that, Jordi is going to send the message again, and we will receive it in a few seconds. As you can hear, we have another message. Now, we're going to show you how to recover the certificate that we are going to receive on the mailbox doing an HTTP query too. As you can see, you just need to put the destiny number, the ID, and your credentials, and just download the certificate. So we are about to do it with clicking, and we are going to download the file. As you can see, boom, we got it. So easy. Now, we will show you how to do a registered email. It's more easier than sending an SMS because you don't need any platform, a special platform, tool, OS. You just need your mail to do so. So we're going to send a registered email to our colleague Jordi saying that we are in San Francisco. And you just need to put in the CC field the address service or mail at registeredlleda.net with all the content that you want, pictures, PDF, images, videos, whatever you want on the field, and send it. It's so easy. After that, we're going to show you how to make a contract. It's so easy. You just need to send an email to the mailbox that we will give in to you. In this case, it's findever@contractlleda.net. And in the subject field, we have to put the email address of our client and the subject. And as I said before, we just need to put all the content that you want in the email, the offer, the PDF, whatever you want, pictures, videos, whatever you want, and send it. After that, we will receive 3 emails. The first one is saying that your offer has been processed. So we are saying that we received that email and it's going to be sent to your client. Hopefully, if our client answers back, we will receive another email saying that we have an answer. And the third one, we are going to receive the certificate, gathering all this information in one document, so you can use it as a proof or keep it as an evidence in case that you need it. We are going to download it. As you can see, we have all the delivery details, the sender email, the recipient email, the date and time of the sending, the date and time of delivery, the subject field, then the content of the message, all the attachments, There are two types of attachments, the ones that it can be printed on the PDF files, such as pictures, PDFs, or the ones that are not attached, such as videos, zip files, RAR files, that are in the attachment sections of the PDF. Now, we can see the answer details. It's like the recipient details, such as the sender, the recipient day of delivery, the subject, the message, all the attachments. Go on, you can see all the documents and extras, so the pictures that are printable, even the delivery, or the reply back. And then, at the end of the document, we will find all the technical details, such as the headers of the email, the domain server, and all the information that the server on the other side gives us back, such as the message was delivered or not. On both sides, the answer and its reply back. And then all this document is synced and timestamped, so you can use it, so no one can modify it. Having said that, and having all those options together, we can gather those two options in just one solution. It's called Connect a Click. We have this awesome tool to validate users or even make contracts, combining those two options together. So we send a registered SMS to our client with a one-time password. Then we send it also an email with a landing platform, the contract details, whatever the client wants. Then our user or future client puts that one-time password on the website, and then it generates a document saying that we have that user introduced right the one-time password, the registered SMS, as we saw before, and the registered email, as we saw. So with that option, you can prevent fraud, and you know that your clients say what they really are. And to prove how easy are our solution, we will give away 5 $100 Amazon gift card to the first ones that it sends an email to the findever@contract.lleida.net. We will give it away later. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions.
Okay, so we did get a few questions. The first one is, what's the difference between registered email, registered contract, and registered delivery?
Yeah, the registered email, it's just sending an email, as I said before, using the CC field, our address, service@Lleida.net. Contract is that you send that email on the address that we gave you, and then on the subject field, you put your client's address and the subject, and then your client has to reply back or not. Even if it replies or not, you will have a certify having that information. And the other one is when you receive an email to our inbox, we certify that you received that email.
Okay. Another one is, how can I integrate the SMS services into my platform?
You can integrate your services using our SMPP protocol. It's a standard, so everyone uses. The other one is our homemade protocol, so you can go to api.lleida.net and see how it works. The other one is FTP to SMS, so you just upload a file to our server, and we will send those messages for you. And the SMTP to SMS, it's just to send an SM email to an address, and we will send those messages for you.
Okay, so that same person wanted to know about email services as well.
Email, you don't have anything at all to do so. You just need your client, your mail client, and the few addresses that you need to do so.